Good morning, guys. It is a new day. It is the countdown until we are in Jamaica. Today is going to be like a super chill day slash productive day. Today we are going to clean and we're going to get like our stuff together, get organized to pack tomorrow. Oh, my voice is cracking. But yesterday I tried to vlog for you guys, but it did not work out. I went to the nail salon and I went to my wax appointment, and then I had some other little errands to run, but I couldn't run the errands because it started to rain. And I just have to be careful that I don't have like a cold or a fever. Like I cannot run like a high temperature just with everything going on. Like I don't need that right now, so I had to be very careful. So yesterday I did not get what I needed to get done. Today I'm just going to clean. I'm going to get my suitcase and everything together, but first we're going to make some breakfast. And also, yeah, that's about it. So I won't talk too long. It's the countdown. Let's have some breakfast. Let's get our day started and like start organizing like everything that we need to. So I finished cleaning. Do not mind all of that in the background. I'm literally getting my stuff together to pack, but my cousin's party is an all-white party, and I'm like wondering if I should do this dress. This is what it looks like. It's a really cute white dress. So this is what the dress looks like. It's so cute, but it's so tight. But I need somebody to zip me up. Guys, look how much stuff is on here. It's so embarrassing, but it won't look like this in like 2 hours. But basically I got this corset from House of CB, and it looks like this, and I'm wondering if I could wear this with white jeans. So this one is another option. The only thing is you can see these are two different whites. I do have these like cute little trousers. They don't look as cute because it needs to be iron, but I'm wondering if I could like not do all white. I don't know if everyone's doing all white. This is what this one looks like. It looks crazy. I cannot get it to zip, so I'm probably gonna have to do the white dress. I will just figure it out at this point because I don't have anything else that is white. I don't have anything else that is white. I looked and I literally could not find anything. So let me just get my stuff together. So I'm kind of making a little bit of progress. I'm just gonna like sort out the tops that I'm bringing. I'm not gonna bring a lot of stuff because I'm not gonna be gone for that long of a time. Like little stuff like this I'll definitely bring because I can just wear it with my jeans. I have like cute little tops like this. This is another top. So more than anything, I'm going to bring tops, and this is another top. And then for my jeans, this is like all my, I had bought like a whole bunch of flip-flops at one point, and I'm just gonna go through the bag. I'm definitely gonna bring these because these are like slides are always easy to bring. For my jeans, I will definitely bring my white jeans, my dark denim, and then I will probably just bring, this is another dark one. I think I'll just bring this one, like this color blue, a dark blue. This one's not that dark. I'm not gonna bring this one. And then I'll bring this. Yeah, so I'll bring these. Like, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna just bring those 4. I won't bring these 2 These are more tops. This is a bodysuit. I will bring that. This is like a little summery dress. This is a bodysuit. I love a bodysuit. This is another dress. So I think that should be good. And then I just got a package delivered from Zara. I got this like cute top. It looks crazy, but I tried it on and it's so cute on. And then I got a hat that I can wear at the beach. So those are gonna go. So guys, I literally just finished getting everything together that I'm bringing down. And while I was like getting everything, I got a delivery of another batch of my tape. This is Jamrock Roots. I hope you guys are checking out the site and getting your sea moss. I'm so excited. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. And this is like our packing tape. But right now I'm starving, guys. I'm gonna make something to eat, and then I'm also gonna make banana bread for my grandparents. I wanted to make something for my great grandma and my grandma. My grandma has like eaten from me before, but my great grandma's I've never like made any kind of like food item for her. So I'm gonna bake some banana bread and bring it with me. It looks like a color lipstick I would wear anyway, but it's a lip balm. So if you guys do not eat meat like me and you're looking for a dupe that actually tastes really good, I would definitely recommend this one. I'm gonna start making the banana bread so I can like literally get everything done today.